Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Christmas time. I just want to say happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and wishing you guys, family, friends, and all of my patients a wonderful holiday season. Today I want to focus on a small topic called how to take impression for a single crown for dentists. Here is the case. We have a patient come in with the healing cap in place on tooth number 3, healing abutment there. So how do we take the impression for a single crown? Let me show you how to do it. This is a occlusal view of tooth number 3 with the implant in place, healing abutment. Now we need to remove the healing abutment. Put a piece of gauze behind the back of the throat of the patient before you take out these things. This is called the healing abutment. The color indicate is yellow. It's the 4.3 conical connection Nobel Biocare implant system. And this is the X-ray, the impression coping showing the margin look good, everything look good before the impression. And this is getting ready for final impression. And you can see I put a little wax on top of the screw area before we take the impression. It's very critical information for the beginner to learn. If you don't put a little tiny wax block the screws area, the lab may have problem. So with that set in mind, now after you do that, you take out the impression coping. This is the impression coping. You take it out, and then you replace back the healing abutment. And then you can take the bioregistration for the lab to make sure they know the occlusion of the patient. So again, this is we just took out the impression coping, and you try in the impression. Before you do that, you will need to look at one more thing, which is called implant analog. The implant analog come in different right here. It's come from the same side of the implant inside the patient mouth. Just remember, implant analog is the copy of an implant that exactly the same inside the bone of the patient at this point. So I just attached the impression coping onto the implant analog, and now you will put the impression coping back into the impression, and you make sure you check the orientation and everything tuck in nice and smoothly. That all of this here will be sending out to the lab. As you can see, that implant analog is sticking out. That's where the angle of the implant inside the bone look like. Now this is a quick video that indicate that I removed the impression coping, and now we put in the blue by registration for the occlusal registration for the patient to so we can record the information for the lab. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand the concept of single impression crown. If you have any question, either you can comment on the YouTube video, or you can email me. Thank you for watching. Hope you find it useful. Thank you again.